How to create an account in Zoom on a PC for online classes. First, you have to simply install the Zoom application on your PC. After that, you need to simply open up the Zoom application. So here you will find the Zoom workspace sign in page. Here, if you have already a Zoom account, you need to simply tap on sign in. But if you want to create a new account on a Zoom app, you need to simply tap on sign up. But if you want to only join the meeting without creating Zoom account, you need to simply tap on join a meeting. But right now I want to create a new Zoom account, so you have to simply tap on sign up. So here you find the sign in page. So here you need to simply write down your first age. So here you need to simply write down your birthday year. So I want to just write down here 1995, then tap on continue. So here you need to simply first put the email address in which you want to verify your new Zoom account. So I just want to tap on continue. You can also sign up directly with a Google account, but I want to just create the Zoom account with a separate email address. So here you notice that they send the verification code. So I want to just open up my email, and here you will notice that I have received the verification code from the Zoom. You have to simply copy this code, then you need to simply put the code here, then tap on verify. So once you confirm it, now here you can simply create your account. So you need to simply fill the basic information like first name, last name, then password. So I just want to type here my name, then put the last name. Then you have to simply create the unique password for your new Zoom account. On behalf of the school or other organization, you may need to simply select here, but I just want to use for my personal, so you need to simply tap on continue. Now here you can also set up the fingerprint or PIN. So create a passkey to sign in your Zoom account, but I just want to tap on skip now. So you notice that I have successfully created the Zoom account on a PC by using this method. So now if I tap on my profile, so you notice that I can easily customize my Zoom profile that I have recently created. So now if you customize your profile, you need to simply use your web browser. So I want to just use here my Zoom account. So you need to simply sign in first once again, and now here on zoom.com you can easily customize your Zoom profile. So you can also add the phone number and other informations. So this is the easiest way to basically create a Zoom account on a PC by using this method. So now you can easily create a meeting or join a meeting on your Zoom application. So if you are a student, you want to attend online class, so this is a great application for you. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you find this video helpful for you, then please like, comment and share this video. Thank you so much for watching.